feeling overwhelmed and wishing you could reclaim your time without sacrificing your paycheck? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to working less and earning more. First, let's talk automation. Identify repetitive tasks that eat up your time, like data entry or scheduling emails. Explore software and tools that can handle these for you, freeing you to focus on more important things. Next up, delegation. If you have a team, don't be afraid to distribute responsibilities. Clearly define roles and expectations and empower your colleagues to take ownership. Now, prioritize. Ruthlessly analyze your tasks and pinpoint the 20% that generate 80% of your results. Focus your energy on these high-value activities and eliminate or minimize the rest. Finally, block out focused work time in your calendar. Minimize distractions, turn off notifications, and dedicate this time solely to your high-value tasks. This concentrated effort will lead to increased efficiency and faster completion times. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to a better work-life balance without sacrificing your income. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity hacks, and let us know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try.